Hey guys, tacos in my tummy here, and so I have this broken watch. You see, it's not telling the time with that cool, the 8 and all that. Yeah, I'll put a screenshot of one of the things. But anyways, it's not working. So today this is my Rolex, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Rolex repair video, and I hope you enjoy it. So first we will have to get the things we need to repair this Rolex. We'll need a screwdriver, of course, to screw it, I guess, and this squeezy thingy to hold it, and SpongeBob's right arm in case we need an extra hand, and this fidget spinner just in case everything goes wrong. We can make this a portable fidget spinner. Okay, so first I guess we have to set the time so it's alright. Look, it's spinning. Okay, so now we just gotta clamp it down. Okay, you see how it's a tight fit now? So now we just gotta open it up, get right to the inside. You see how I just opened it right up there? That's very important. Now this is just a reminder to not eat the remnants of your watch, no matter how tempted you may be. And also be careful because these are pointy thingies. So anyways, you'll just end up with this, and it's still not working. But when all else fails, you can just Yep, I think we fixed it. Yeah. So now this is when the SpongeBob arm comes in for the modeling of the watch. So now you can clearly see how fixed this Rolex is. You see guys? It's fixed. And subscribe for more educational content. And if this video reaches 10,000 likes, I'll do a face reveal. And if it reaches 3 likes, I'll do another repair video. Okay guys, comment and subscribe, join the notification squad, y'all. And oh yeah, by the way, we're making a Bro Cool album, so yeah, like a whole album of Bro Cool raps. That's pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any problems with any watches or jewelry, just send it to me. And thanks for watching.